Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.5 question number 1. Question number 1 is use suitable identities to find the following products. Let us find the following products. Number one is x plus 4 into x plus 10 by using the identity by using the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Use this identity here. That is, we are getting x plus 4 into x plus 10. Then we will get x square plus a plus b plus 4 plus 10 x plus 4 into 10. Then we are getting x square plus 10 plus 4 is 14x plus 40. This is solution of question number 1. This is the answer of question number 1. That x square plus 14x plus 40. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is x plus 8 into x minus 10. By using the identity x plus a into x plus b x square plus a plus b plus ab. Here you see it is x plus 8 into x minus 10 x minus 10. Therefore we are getting x square plus 8 minus 10x plus 8 plus 8 into minus 10 plus 8 into minus 10. And we are getting x square minus 2x minus 80. You're getting the answer is x square minus 2x minus 80. This is question number 2. We'll solve question number 3. Now you see question number 3 is, let us solve question number 3. Now question number 3 is question number 3 is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5 We'll use this identity again, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. We'll use this identity again. Therefore we are getting You can write this as x dividing by 3, x plus 4 by 3 into x minus 5 by 3. Or you can write, using this identity, you are getting x square. We are getting x square plus a plus b is 4 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3, 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3, x plus 5 by 3, x plus 4 by 3 into minus 5 by 3. Or you can put it in bracket also. Let us take in first bracket. Let us put it in first bracket. Using this identity, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Right? Therefore, we are getting that x square plus, if we take LCM as 3, then 4 minus 5, x plus this 5 will cancel. Then we are getting minus 4 by 3. Getting minus 4 by 3. Therefore, we are getting x square now we are getting x square 4 minus 5, that is minus 1 by 3 that is minus 1 by 3x minus here you see, here you have not taken 9 as common because it will be 9. Let us take this one, 9 as common. That means 9x plus 4 by 3, that is 339, that is 3x. That means we are getting first of all, if we take 3 as common, x plus 4 3, and from here also 3 take common, that means 3 is a 9, you have to take common. That means you have to take 9 as common. Here 9 will be common, right? 9 will be common. Here you see, in this case 9 will be common here. And we are getting, here you see, that is we are getting 9, right? In bracket we are getting x square 4 minus 5, that is minus 1 by 3 x minus 4 by 3, or we are getting 9x square minus 3x minus 4, that is 9x square 9 square minus 3x minus 339. Here it is 4 by 5, it is 4 by 3. This is not 5, this is not correct, this is actually 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3 4 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. That comes to, this is not right, this will be minus 4 by 20 by 3. This is 5 actually. This will not cut. This is 5 by 3. That means minus 4 by 20 by 9. This will be, this is not right. This is minus 20 by 9. This is minus 20 by 9, minus 20 by 9. Then we are getting minus 20. That is answer. That is 9x square minus 3x minus 20. This is question number 3. Let us solve question number 4. Let's solve question number 4 again. Let's solve question number 4 here. Now question number 4 is, here you see is, question number 4 is y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Here we will apply the identity that x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square, x square minus y square, right? That we are getting y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 whole square, or we are getting y to the power 4 y to the power 4 minus 3009, 2 to the 4, 9 by 4, and that is answer of question number 4. That is y to the power 4 minus 9 by 4. Let's solve question number 5. Question number 5 is, here you see is, question number 5 is 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. Again we will apply this identity that x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Because we are getting 3 square minus 2x whole square, or 3 is a 9, 3 is a 9 minus 2 is a 4 x square, 9 minus 4 square is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.